In this video, we will go over how to manage your waitlist. Make sure the waitlist is enabled by logging in as the business owner and navigating to the online booking page. Here, scroll down to the general customization options and scroll all the way down to waitlist. Make the switch enabled and save changes, and now you've got waitlist enabled on your booking widget. Now we'll look at how the clients will be added to the waitlist. They will select the service, and then they will select the staff member as usual. And then they will see that all availabilities are currently booked. They can then click on the join waitlist button. And now we can select the date from and the date to, and now the time range. Over here, we're going to select 1:30 p.m. till 5 p.m. We're going to make 4 hours for our minimum notice time, so the business has to give us at least 4 hours before the appointment. And once we're happy, we can then click the join waitlist button. That's all it takes for the client to join the waitlist. And now we'll see how it looks on the business side. On the business calendar, we can book an appointment, and then we can go to the waitlist option on the right. Over here, we'll see that the client has requested this service for this date, and we can take a look at the details by using the eyeball button on the right. Once we're happy with the selection, we could click on book, and it will book the client in from the waitlist. Clients can view the status of their appointment inside the client portal. By logging in and then clicking on the appointment details button, they could see that the appointment has been booked. Please contact us at support@yocale.com or use the chat symbol for more help.